This project is ASTANA, Abu Dhabi Plaza. Initially, I see Abu Dhabi, I saw it in Middle East. After reading in detail, only realize it is not. It is just beside Russia. This high-rise building is designed for 311 meters. So Middle East, there is no winter, there is no snow. So this view brings us a very good difference. So the job starts at the winter, then there is a thick layer of the snow covering the soil, the ground, and we can see the boring machine is trying to install the foundation of the building. They are using a diaphragm wall with soil nail cut directly to the most bottom layer. In China, this kind of system also very popular. Only in Singapore it is not. Earth ramp to enable the machinery to travel down to the most bottom layer. This is the classic shot. So all the machinery is in the grease of the snow. When the weather turns good, so we can see the full view of the building. We can see that the water table also is quite high, so that you can see the soil near the die-hole area, there's water bleeding in. The photo is taken in 2012. Casting using the elephant bump is a very well innovated machine, and I think universally being used. Rough slab being in construction, rough construction in progress. So crawler crane and the mobile crane being used. After the rough casting done, only can install the tower crane flag and set up the tower crane. Earth ramp to enable the machinery to coming down and the disposal of the rubbish. So again, here comes the winter. The whole site is being covered up with the snow. Very classic shot. Earth ramp, no need any erosion control blanket because it does not rain in winter. So this is something will never happen in Singapore. Very long earth ramp. So everything covered up with snow, all the buildings. The one in yellow color is the core wall. Core wall being come up all as well. It's raised up very fast, and the glass facade being installation. Core wall and the facade on the right hand side of the building. This kind of the facade is very grease, nice view, and I see around the world a lot of places that they are installed the facade very neat and clean. But Singapore is the exception, so everything has been used the protection only at the very last minute to remove it and clean up. So the office space being set up. Again, here comes the winter. So everything is covered with snow. The road becomes slippery. When it turns good, the spring is here. So the tower, one building already being finished, the other one on top of the safety screen, then as well as the core wall. For the safety screen, they have an innovative way. They do a downhung box, which enable to carry out the beam area the connection. We can learn from this. Continue going up the main tower. Keep on raising. So the benefit of the core wall and the safety screen is if you are going to use this one 50 or 100 times, the cost will be very cheap. But if you are doing a low rise, so the cost will be very high. I divide it and share into each floor. When the weather turns good, so you can see the overview photo, Middle Asia, sorry. So it's the highest building in this Kazakhstan. Continue reading. Again, the winter comes. In this photo, we can see that there is a overhead bridge. We're trying to link to some MRT system, but the MRT system, the pillar is being constructed, but the bridge is not yet started link up. Take from the rural area, take from the plaza area. So I must say this building is give to the very nice view. It's in the center line of the building of the city. Continue reading up. Rainbows. This is using drone. Another view. It reached so high that when it's coming to winter time, so it's above the cloud. Finally, they reach the roof. Again, similar and other towers, the roof normally take time to construct. So in this case, they are also doing it in a traditional method. Scaffold, and the one tower crane is still being set up over there to do the material transfer up and the rubbish bring down. Some panels is missing. This is very common in construction. So the new panel after fabricate will be bring in. So here it comes the snow again. So it's called Abu Duha Plaza. The facade, the light blue color is very classic. Covered with snow again. Finally, they finish up the roof. The PMU is there, so the tower crane also going to be dismantled. So this is a nice project.